This is Unit 2, Prep 2, question number 10. We want to completely factor, and that is the case when you're asked to factor. Always completely factor. So how do we do that? We start by looking at the numbers here and then asking ourselves, is it possible to divide a number out here? And so I do see that the smallest number is 3, so are each one of these numbers divisible by 3? They are. And I can also take an x out of each. And what would I be left with? X squared plus 5x plus 4. This is the only trinomial I focus on. Don't worry about the top part. 1 times 4 is 4. Two numbers that multiply to equal 4 and combine to give you 5 would be 1 and 4, and they'd have to both be positive. So x plus 1 and x plus 4. Now, common confusion for students is, do I do this bottoms up? Do I put a 1 underneath? Do I put the 3 underneath? If we've factored something else out, we only focus on this last trinomial that we're looking at. And since the number, the leading coefficient is 1, I don't have to do bottoms up. Don't forget to bring the 3x down. I can't factor any further. Let's look at option B. Always ask yourself, can you factor a number out? So start with the smallest number. Are each of these divisible by 4? They are. And I can take a 4 out. 4 times 1 is 4. I need 3 x's and I only have 1. 4 times 5 is 20. I need 2 x's. I only have 1. 4 times 6 is 24. I need 1 x and I already have it. Only focus on this trinomial. What multiplies to give you 6 and combines to equal positive 5? Oh, that'd be not a 1 and 6 because it would have to be a positive 6 and a negative 1, and they would multiply to a negative 6. 2 and 3 work, both positive. X plus 2. X plus 3, since the leading coefficient of this new trinomial is 1, I don't have to worry about bottoms up. And don't forget about 4x out front. Let's look at start by asking yourself, is there a factor I can pull out of each term here? The same factors to start with the smallest number, divisible by 2, divisible by 2, and yes, divisible by 2. I can actually take out a 2x and I'd be left with 1x squared minus 3x, negative 6x squared, minus 70, and I already have an x. Ooh, what multiplies to give us negative 70 and combines to give us a negative 3? 1 and 70, no. 2 and 35, no. 3 and, does it divide nicely by 3? I don't think it does, but I know it, and I know it doesn't divide by 4. But it does divide by 5 14 times. So 5 and 14, but they don't somehow give us a 3. I know it doesn't divide by 6, but I'll just show you. But it does divide by 7 10 times. So 7 and 10. And not only 7 and 10, if I make the 10 negative and the 7 positive, I'll get a negative 3 and a negative 70. X plus 7, x minus 10. Don't forget about the 2x, and we don't have to worry about bottoms up.